Now.
1, 2, 3. Hand, Ana Maria. 1, 2, 3. Put the cup on.
Have you lined it up?
I'm already.
He's filming already.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's filming.
Oh, she asked me to.
Oh shit, Ana Maria. Right, not now. Not now. Hand.
That's not bad. But
No.
the hand is too big.
The hand is too big. Right, the cup. Put the cup on your hand.
No, go back with the cup so it's bigger in the
1,
picture.
2, 3. And Mum, you have to remove yours at the same time.
Come on. Put your hand up.
Now keep your camera roughly. That's it. Closer to my camera. Now grab it, Mia.
Grab 1, 2, 3. Put your cup in.
1, 2, 3.
But yours is appearing too.
1, 2, 3.
But it's not in her hands. Oh gosh.
Now drink.
Hey,
1, 2, 3.
that's not bad.
Drink it now.